Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw crypto from Binance and send it to a different wallet or exchange. So right now I'm on the home screen of Binance. I'm then going to tap my wallet in the bottom right hand corner, and on the overview section it will bring up all of my balances, all of the crypto that I own. Currently I've got it blocked out for personal reasons in terms of numbers, but here we can see I own LTO, CHZ, USDT, ORN and so on. Choose the coin that you would like to withdraw from Binance and tap on it. It'll then say at the bottom, withdraw or deposit. Now in this case, we're going to be withdrawing. So simply tap withdraw, and then I choose, because I'm sending it away from Binance, to select send via crypto network. Once this comes up, what you'll see is address, network, withdrawal amount. Select the address you'd like to withdraw it to. Now, if you have not got this saved, it's going to ask you to set up a new withdrawal whitelist address. So what you need to do is go over to your wallet that has the long address form, copy that, bring it over to Binance, type it in for the address, look at what the network is, bring that also over and type that in. It'll ask you to verify this by doing your email and authenticator code, just so they know that it is you setting up a new withdrawal address. And once you have that sorted, you're then able to just select that address from your list of addresses on Binance, or if you've already sent crypto there before and you're looking for a refresher, then that address will be whitelisted and saved onto your account, meaning you can just tap it exactly like what I did. Then it says choose network. Now this depends on what crypto you're sending, but for me, I'm going to choose LTO network because I'm sending LTO coins. You can select that and find that out yourself by looking into the crypto you're sending, and then you simply select the amount you'd like to send. So for example here, I'll type in my amount, keep it private, and then I'm going to select withdraw. It'll ask me to confirm, it'll ask me to get my Binance authenticator code, and it will also ask me to do an email verification as well once I've confirmed the order. That is simply how you withdraw crypto from Binance. Now, the whole adding the address process, Binance guides you through that. I would take you through it, but every single crypto you're looking to withdraw to can be different, so I wouldn't want to give you any misleading information. And if you're looking for a new exchange to store your crypto, I personally use crypto.com, and you get a $25 bonus when you sign up using my link down below. So if you'd like to check that out, no pressure, please do so. Thank you.